Hi artists, here we are near the end of our time together, and hopefully by now you've got quotes filling this paper. And you can see this paper, they've got a few, but they, did what they did. Okay, so you're gonna have a heart cut out. You're going to trace around the heart. You can trace it close, you can trace it loose, whatever you prefer, and then pass this to someone else. And then you're gonna take this stuff right here, which is Conte crayon. And Conte is a really nice little tool that is part chalk, part oil pastel. And you're gonna color around the heart, creating a positive heart space right here. And then out here is going to be a graded value going from dark around the heart to light as you get away from the heart. Okay, just like this. There we go. Just like that. All right. Then you're going to take your tool right here, this finger, and you're going to rub and blend. Because that's the cool thing about Conte, is you can blend with it. It's very awesome. And now you have this colorful heart in a, surrounded by a graded value. And then I want you to think of something that you could write inside here. Something like you could write, "Love is all you need." You could write somebody's name, okay? So, let's see. How do we spell this? That's right. Okay. There we go. There we are. Oh, that looks fun. Okay. Very nice. Okay, thanks for being good listeners.